Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
So that matter was set for hearing today.
Terry Ramirez?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't see any misdemeanors in the formal here. The civils were set for formal, so.
Yep.
Ramirez is not out.
You can bring him out.
Okay.
There was one woman who.
I don't see Ramirez in the breakout room. Must have left.
Miss Riley, are you on the screen? Your Honor,
Yes.
Miss Riley has a medical appointment and she was going to get a bench trial date. I don't know if the court could call her.
Riley?
Yes.
This is the People versus Alicia Riley. Ticket number SP 1275743, count 2. No operator's license in possession. Good morning. Please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Miss Riley, I did have the opportunity to review this matter with my client. She's continuing her plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Riley. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Okay.
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for September 20th at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
Can I ask what date that is?
September 20th is a Tuesday.
Okay.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, we'll do Ramirez. Was here. I don't know what happened to him. This is the People versus Terry Ramirez, ticket number X3971760, count 1, safe loading section 392.9. Count 2, no carrier name or US dot number displayed 390.1. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Ms. Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Ramirez. Today is the date and time set for formal hearing. The officer has not appeared. We move for dismissal.
Matters dismissed without prejudice. All right, what about anything else you're ready on? Does it matter? We can just do what we have.
Anybody who's on the screen should be ready.
Okay.
We need.
Dominique Reed, Manuel Richards, Monte Roberts, and Juwan Roberts. This is the People versus Juwan Robinson, ticket number 21728386, count 1, reckless driving. Ticket number 21728385, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please say your names to the record, starting with Attorney Soroki. Turn your video on, Mr. Robinson.
You hear me?
Yes, turn your video on.
Yep, my camera's broke. I do not have a camera, like a front face at all.
All right, go ahead, Mr. Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Robinson. Let's see, where is he on my
The
list?
offer was open and talk. No, the offer was, yeah, it was drag racing.
Oh, at this time, correct. My client's continuing his plea of not guilty, waiving his right to a jury trial, and requesting a bench trial date.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson.
It's raised, but I also had a question, but I'll wait till you're done.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir. I mean, yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive
No.
your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
The court's going to continue your not guilty plea set for a bench trial for September 20th at 9 o'clock. You had a question?
Yes. It should be 4 tickets altogether that the officer wrote, right?
Right now, I have 3. One
Okay.
of them might have been a civil infraction that might have already gone into default. And I think that's what happened. So that's why the civil infraction is already in default. The other 3 are misdemeanors.
Okay. So what does it mean by default, if I may ask?
That means you owe money on it.
Okay. All right. How would I get it out of default, or do I just have to pay it?
You pay it. Most of the fault you just
Yeah,
pay
you can just pay it.
Okay. All right.
Mr.
So
Robinson,
September.
Mr. Robinson, you can either pay the ticket or you can come down to the first floor and tell them you have a court date for September 20th at 9 o'clock. And could they remove the default and put that also with your court date?
Thank you so much. That's what I needed. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So September 20th at 9 o'clock.
But do it right away.
Yep. I'll do it today. 9 a.m. Thank you.
Bye.
You guys enjoy the rest of your day.
it. I know, I'm sorry.
But she's not out here.
Oh, right. I know they're ready. Which one you ready for now?
You got Dominique Reed or Manuel Richards or Demonte Ross.
Dante Reed.
Dominique Reed. Give me 1 second. I gotta print out some ROAs for people that are out here.
Lewis,
Yep.
Andrea Reed has tickets from coming up like in 2 days and other tickets. So she claims she was in the ticket court with Judge Williams. Anyway, you'll have to speak with her, but
Did you say Cameron?
Andrea Reed.
Andrea Reed. Take it off. Yeah, I checked it off.
Yeah.
It's just too old.
Dominique Reed. Okay, this is the people versus Dominique Reed, ticket number SP 127166111. Count 1. No insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Reed.
Say your name.
Yes. Dominique Reed.
There there is an are you ready on this one? I mean, I guess the
Yes.
option would be plates. Does she have insurance?
Ms. Reed does not have her documents, I don't believe. Correct, Ms. Reed?
Correct.
So I think she would accept the recommendation.
She would do a proper plate. All right, Rachel, she would do a proper plate.
Ms. Reed?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki today in private about your case and your rights.
Okay.
Ms. Reed, you spoke to me about your rights, correct?
Yes, I did.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
I'm pleading not guilty.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Oh, yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes. Okay. That makes
Knowing
sense.
that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to November 7, 2021 at 9:19 a.m. On that day and time, were you at or near Joy Road in Riverdale, in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2016 Nissan vehicle?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance?
Yes.
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Yes, Your Honor, satisfied.
Of course, also satisfied, we'll amend that count to improper place, will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that paid by August 22nd?
No. I'm currently
September
unemployed
26th?
right now.
What about September 26th?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
You're all set.
I can pay through. Yes.
I'm sorry?
I got a question. Can I pay through the website?
You can pay it through the website. You can pay it over the phone. I can give you a phone number whenever you're ready. There's kiosks around the city, like in CVS or Meyer, called DAT, D-I-V-D-A-T, where you can pay it on those kiosks,
Mm-hmm.
or you can pay it online.
Okay. Ready with the phone number?
855
855
798
798
1547.
1547. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
I'm looking for Richards. Do you see Manuel Richards on your docket?
I don't think I did. There were some people I just didn't have on my Richard.
He was
Yeah, I
not,
didn't have him on my docket. But he's gonna get a bench trial date.
he was not on the docket today.
He's not? Okay.
He's not.
Cool. I can't get this truck. What's this case number?
I didn't get his case number. Mr. Richards, do you know your case number?
No, man, I don't have it on me right now.
Do you have your driver's license number?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. What is it? R
263.
263.
Hold on. I gotta see. Hold on a second. It's R 263-615-684-967.
967.
Yes.
Okay.
Is your middle name Pierre?
Yes.
You said for 1:30 this afternoon. He wants a bench trial.
Yeah.
So we can do it. You got a power for it.
You have something this morning, or you don't have anything?
But yeah, it's all set for this afternoon. I'll do it this afternoon. I just gotta call.
Oh,
He wants
okay.
to finish.
You need the case number, right?
Yeah. Or the case, just. what- I don't have to, but-
I need to go on to you. Let me just go get some. Very random this morning.
Okay,
You
well,
said it affected the trial.
okay, we'll do his in a moment. Let me, print out the Monte Robert. Okay, this is the people versus Demonte. Oh, before we go on the record. So it's unregistered, untitled. And, okay, did you have an offer for that? I can do, fail to display and dismiss the no insurance
Okay, I'm sorry, Judge, who are you on? You're on,
for Demonte Roberts. Unless he has registration and insurance.
oh yeah, we're gonna, I indicated to him what it says unregistered, no insurance is what's on my docket, that the court would allow him to plead to improper plate and dismiss the other matter.
That's fine.
And I'm gonna indicate, I'm gonna request credit for time served because he spent a year in jail after he got picked up on this, so.
Okay. Let me just print it out.
Darnell, can you send Andrea Reed a prompt to come out, please?
Okay.
All right, this is the people versus Demonte Roberts, ticket number SP 1124415, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
You're
Demonte
on.
Robert.
Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Roberts, there is a recommendation. My client would plead to the amended county improper plates. The other matters would be dismissed. He's waiving his rights.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Roberts. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Please put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 20th, 2020 at 1:56 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of 7 Mile and Beaverland in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You drive a 2013 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No, not at the time, no.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
The court will amend that count to improper place and will proceed to sentencing. Mr. Roki, you are asking for time served.
Yes, Your Honor, my client indicated that he was actually arrested in this vehicle. The vehicle was confiscated by the police. He never got it back, and he did serve a year.
We'll order time served. You're all set, Mr. Roberts.
Oh, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with the would you credit me the time served? That mean the ticket is clear?
Yes, sir, you're done.
Okay, so I should be able to go back. I mean, I should be able to get my license back and everything, right?
You should, you might have to pay some reinstatement fees, but you need to call the Secretary of State.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good luck.
All right.
All right, this is the people versus Manuel Richards, ticket number P1331931. Count 1, driver license never acquired. Count 2, driver registered or entitled vehicle. Count 3, no proof of insurance. ticket number P1331932, count one, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
State your name, Mr. Richards.
Manuel Richards.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Richards. You swear affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial? Oh, before we even do that, this is up for an arraignment, so you waive formal reading, probable cause, Ms. Soroki.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You understand you do have the right, and then he wants to set this for a bench trial?
That's correct.
You understand you do have the right to a jury trial, Mr. Richards?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Court's going to continue your not guilty plea set up for a bench trial on September 20th at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
No.
Process, sir.
To render. Set all tickets. Yes,
Oh, Mr. Richards, you also have some future dates in August. We're going to move all those to bench trial on September 20th as well, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
What about the one for September? You gonna do it? All right, so could I have one? All right,
Everything's gonna be
all right.
moved to September 20th.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
September 20th.
All right, looks like we have Andrea Reed.
You don't have any power.
Andrea Reed. Is she on the docket? Oh, I see her, right here, got her.
Nice.
Trying to figure out how to voice, and
All right, no operator's license on person, unregistered motor vehicle or entitled, failed to display, dismiss the unregistered vehicle.
Yep.
Should we take that?
Your Honor, no, she has her proofs. I asked her to have them available to show the court.
Oh, she has it? Okay, you have your driver's license?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
You have registration?
Yes, Your Honor.
You saw that? Did you see it, Ms. Roki?
I did not see it. I asked her to have it available.
Do you have it, Ms. Reed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you put it?
You want the driver's license? Can you see?
Put it closer.
It expires in 2025. I can see that.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. And then your registration?
Can you putting it closer to the camera? 12/12/2022.
Okay, all right. This is the people versus Andrea Reed.
Here's my insurance.
All right, we're a little bit closer, ma'am, please.
We didn't have it. Did we have an insurance?
I didn't see one, but I don't always get the tickets. Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Well, may I say something?
We don't have.
Yes,
one.
ma'am. To answer your question, Your Honor, I did have an insurance.
Ms. Reed.
Yes,
There's no insurance issue, so you don't even have to discuss.
it is an issue. It is an issue because on June 17th, I couldn't get into your courtroom. I left several messages with your clerk. I couldn't get in your courtroom and I had 2 court dates.
Ms. Reed, the 2 cases I have right now is about to get dismissed. So you winning. So what are you explaining to me?
Because my license, I had just acquired my license back on May 4th, 2022. And then when I missed your court date, when I couldn't get in your courtroom on June 17th at 8:45, I also had a court date with Judge Williams, Larry Williams, on June 17th at 1:30 at the Confucian Center for the street court. And I was gonna get it to ask you to adjourn that morning. That's what I was told to do by the other people, but I couldn't get in your courtroom, Miss Raeigen, Miss Evans. And then so I had 2 court dates. I didn't know what to do, but I tried to get in your court date, and then I had to go to that other court date over on Milwaukee on the east side somewhere. And I did that. And so, but to make a long story short, I was trying to say that I did have an insurance ticket with these tickets. And the officer told me that if I get everything together when I come to court, that he would be there.
Well, there's no count 3. I looked in the computer, there's no count 3. There's only these 2 tickets.
In the computer? Oh, well, I know, okay. Maybe something happened.
Okay, so
All
can I call
righty
the case
then.
now? Can I call the case now?
You asking me?
This is the People versus Andrew Reed, ticket number SP 1271147, count 1, no operator's license on person, count 2, driver unregistered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Siroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Reed.
Say your name, Ms. Reed. Ms. Reed, say your name.
Oh, I'm sorry. My name is Andrea Reed.
Your Honor, at this time,
REED.
my client has presented the appropriate paperwork. I ask these matters be dismissed.
You stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Reed.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Does that
you.
mean, okay. Do I need to come to court on the 27th?
Who did you have a hearing set before on the 27th?
Before you're in your courtroom? It was for the same tickets. Well, I had received a ticket on 11/2 and then 11/30 from the same officer. And he didn't submit them until May 24th. He submitted them 7 months, 8 months later. He was harassing me, so I thought he threw them away or something. I don't know. He submit them when he get ready. I mean, wow.
We're checking, I'll check it now.
We'll check into it. You want to check.
She can hang on. Yeah.
You can call the courtroom. What's the number?
2290.
You can call 965-2290, Ms. Reed.
965,
2290.
what do I tell them? Oh, that's the supervisor's phone number, isn't it?
It's the clerk's number. He's listening to everything that's going on. Just call him, okay?
Okay. When should I call him?
You can call now.
All righty.
Y'all set.
Darnell, can you bring out Jajuan Roberts?
Dewan Robert.
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry.
And then I've just got a couple other people I can talk to quickly when the court's ready. But Mr. Roberts, I already did. Oh, Mr. Wait a minute, Roberts, hang on. I don't know that I spoke to him. I looked at, no, I haven't spoken to him.
We can just bring everybody out because it's just.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Just do it all on record.
Yeah, I don't know why we got so, mixed up, I guess, because of the way the offers came today.
No, we're fine. We're fine to me. Is it Jawan Robinson or Jawan Roberts? Well, I see Jawan Roberts right here.
Yeah, they,
Let me print out his ready.
Could everyone please activate your videos? And the court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, walking around, eating, sleeping, chewing gum, and okay, that's okay. When your name is called, please unmute your device when your name is called and give the court your full attention. No walking around, eating, sleeping, none of that.
All right, this is the People versus Jawan Roberts, ticket number SP 1275681. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, improper plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Mr. Roberts, this time we enter a plea not guilty and stand mute to the charges.
She wants to set up her bench trial, is that what you said?
I haven't spoken with Mr. Rogers, so
All right, so we could do fail to display for count 1, drive while license suspended, and he could plead to the improper plates, and then dismiss the unregistered entitled vehicle. What I would do would be a fine of $200, would waive the fee for the other fine.
Mr. Roberts,
Yes.
do you have your documents?
I don't, to be honest, I don't know what vehicle it is.
Ford, 1995 Ford.
No, that car had been, crushed.
Do you have any documents, current documents for any vehicle you're driving now?
No.
So, Your Honor, I believe if he did want to plead today, they would offer him a reduce from, let him read to untitled vehicle and dismiss the other counts.
What was the offer? I don't have an offer for this.
No, but normally they would let him plead to unregistered vehicle and dismiss the other counts.
I
Yeah, I don't
was
have-
going to do fail to display for the driver's license suspended. He could plead to the. I would let him do fail to display for the driver's license suspended, and I dismiss the other 2 counts.
Mr. Roberts, would you like to do that? It's no points and it just shows that you didn't have your license on you. It doesn't mean that you had an invalid license.
Okay,
We're ready, Your Honor.
that's
The
fine.
People versus Jawan Roberts, ticket number SP 1275681. Count 1. Did I call it already?
Yes,
All
Mm-hmm.
right. Raise your right hand, Mr. Roberts. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth? You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to the court and to Mr. Roki about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
Yes.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of November 7, 2021 at 3:08 p.m. Were you at Cooper and Chapin Street, in the city of Detroit on that date and time?
Yes.
You're driving a 95 Ford vehicle,
Yes.
your driver's license suspended?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm also satisfied. We'll amend the count to fail to display. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine. You have to pay by August 22nd.
August 27th. Okay.
Any questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set, sir. Good job.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good night, day.
All right, you too. Thank you. Jasmine Robinson, the offer is improper plate.
Miss Robinson, do you have your insurance?
I do.
Okay, can you hold it up to the camera, please?
Well, I don't have a physical. I just have it on my email, unfortunately. But at the time, I did have insurance. I just didn't have it on me.
Can you, 4/23, 22?
This happened October 13th.
But as long as they have current insurance, this prosecutor will accept it.
Right.
I do have insurance. I just have it in my email. So if you can give me time, I can give you a screenshot or something I can send to the group chat.
You have current insurance now?
Yes, ma'am.
You gotta show us.
So you go ahead and look for it, ma'am.
Okay, give me 1 second.
So, Lovick Rogers. Allowing a licensed driver to drive. And then they completed that and dismiss everything else. The insurance and unregistered vehicle.
Mr. Rogers? Did you hear the court? You gotta unmute, please.
My bad, sorry. It's kind of hard of hearing. I'm in a quiet spot though.
If you wanted to admit that you let someone operate your vehicle and you knew they didn't have a valid license, they'll dismiss your other tickets.
Yes. Yes.
All right, this is the people versus Lovick Rogers, ticket number SP 1279755. Count 1, allowing a licensed driver to drive. Count 2, unregistered, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Rogers, he is going to avail himself of the recommendation.
Say your name, Mr. Rogers.
I'm sorry, I can barely hear.
Say your name, Mr. Rogers.
Oh, my name is Lovey Rogers the fourth.
Okay, can you raise your right hand?
I raise my right hand.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
You can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to the court and Ms. Soroki, the attorney, about your case and your right.
Okay. And you said the
Like 30
tickets
seconds
was.
ago. This was like 30 seconds ago. Did you remember having that conversation?
Yes, I do. It's just like this volume on the speaker is really going haywire. Like it's not even you or me.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Right. Oh, yeah, yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still want to continue to plead guilty?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to November 16, 2021 at 9:25 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Gratiot and Gunston in the city of Detroit? No, I'm sorry, let me take that back. On that date and time, did you own or have a 2000 Chevrolet vehicle?
Oh, yes. Uh-huh.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
I'm guessing they would be talking about my pops, my father, if he was with me, because that's what I'm understanding. I'm the only one who be driving, and besides me, it's my pops, and I'm guessing that's what they're talking about. That's why I didn't even notice about this until the last minute. I'm so sorry.
So you let your dad drive the vehicle? He doesn't have a license?
No, he doesn't. But I was in the car with him.
Okay, you satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine. Can you have it paid by August 22nd?
August 22nd, you said, could I pay it by August 22nd?
Right,
Yes, I could.
okay. Any questions?
No, not a problem.
Okay, you are all set. Good luck.
Thank you. I greatly appreciate you. Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Sorry, this is one of my first times.
You're fine. You're fine. Let me look up Mr. Rowe.
You have a good day.
Have a good one. One second, Mr. Rowe. I'm gonna look up, print your case out.
So it looks like he's got a reckless driving.
Reckless driving.
Yeah, Mr. Rowe, so reckless driving carries 6 points. And normally the prosecutor will offer you a 4-point offense to drag racing. I'm the defense attorney. It would be my recommendation to go on to a trial date.
Okay,
It's your decision. You could have a trial by judge or jury. I'd also recommend a judge trial because the jury trial is not being scheduled yet due to COVID.
okay,
All right. We'll set it for bench trial. It's gonna be September 20th. Let's go on the record. This is the People versus Philip Rowe, ticket number SP 1245209, count 1, reckless driving. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Strogan, on behalf of Mr. Rowe.
Say your name, Mr. Rowe.
I'm sorry,
State your name.
Philip, Ray Rowe.
I understand you want a bench trial, sir.
Yes,
All right, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
yes,
Okay, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for September 20th at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
no, ma'am.
Okay, you're all set. Good luck.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, Ms. Robinson, did you find yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I was just trying to get it into the chat, but they're not allowing me to post like pictures or anything like that. So on here it's offering me the option to fax it. Is it a way that I can fax it to you?
You can text it to me, okay? I'll give you my phone number.
Okay, let me write that down.
313 506 4323.
50623. I'm sorry, ma'am. I didn't hear that. That was
Yes,
506.
506 4323.
4323. Okay. One moment. I'm going to send it to your phone now. Miss Pauline,
Yes,
I did send it, so it should be arriving soon.
thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Your Honor, I have a proof of insurance on a Jasmine Robinson, and it is valid until January 25th, 2023.
Okay. 2 seconds. All right, this is the People versus Jasmine Robinson, ticket number SP 1263845, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Zeroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Robinson.
Say your name is Robinson.
Jasmine Robinson.
Your Honor, Ms. Robinson has provided valid insurance this morning. I move this matter be dismissed.
All right, you stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, so the matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Ms. Robinson, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.